automated images for event participants. Let's do it. Let me show you. First step, set up your database, whether Airtable, Notion, or whatever you want. Just make sure you have the name, the image URL of the profile, the company. Then you will set up a button that will trigger a webhook. We'll send information from all of these fields into an automation app. Second step, we're gonna use Relay for this automation. So Relay is an automation tool that will be able to get this webhook information and then get it through a few steps to turn it into an image. First, we will transform that image URL into an image file. Now we're gonna set up the Google Slides. This Google Slides will have placeholders of the title of the company, and you'll put in an image. That image will serve as placeholder. Now you're ready for the main dish. This step, copy slides and fill in placeholders, will get that information from the Airtable and then fill up those placeholders. Here I am filling up that image with the file, the name with the name, and the company with the company. Then I will export that as a PDF, transform that PDF into an image, then find that record back in our table and then update that record. You can go on and then send the image to this prospect automatically via an email. Now let's see this in action. Whenever I press on one of these buttons, it'll trigger the automation. It'll generate an image like this for each one of the attendees of the event. This is the example, so you can see here, name and company, name, company, and image. Trigger it with a human in the loop, or you can do it at bulk. This is an automation that anyone can build with no code or very low coding skills, thanks to apps like Relay and databases like Airtable. If you have a fun automation idea, comment it here. I'll pick one of these and make my best to show you what's possible with no code automation.